All right, so these are the Fun Kiddo Walkie Talkies. Walkie Talkie on the top, and then Fun Kiddo Walkie Talkies on the back. But these are with adults, so I'm wondering, easy to use, safe for kids, clear, crisp sound, 1-2 mini, strong and stable signal, Vox hand-free option. And this side shows all the different color options you have. I don't remember if I got to pick green or not. Let's open them up though, see what we have here. So right on top is a micro USB charging cable that looks like it splits into 3 to charge these. Very nice. We have battery packs, 2 battery packs, 4 battery packs. And then this looks like a bunch of, whoa, charging brick. And then now we've got some walkie-talkies. Look at this. Yeah. This will be helpful in, you know, a zombie apocalypse. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And a user's guide, and that's it for the box. So they include the power brick. That's very nice of them. So this is each of the walkie-talkies. They actually look pretty nice. Like they don't look, there's your headphone jack and like a micro USB port for charging. The batteries would go back here. Pull this little tab to slide that off, and then pull this tab to get to the batteries. Now the batteries came in 4 little packs like this. So then we just take these and put one there, one there, and one there. And there we go, that walkie-talkie is on. And then pop your backpack on, and then this can slide back on. And now we're ready to go. Hold the power button to cut them off. And then also, each one of them has one of these nice matching color necklaces, which look like they go right through here, like so. And then, you know, whenever you take this off, this part would come off with it. You could also put it on easier if you took it off. But each one has its own, you know, little color matching. You know, we got the pink one here, gray, blue,